Hello, good morning, students. Last period we have discussed up to question 1 to 4, and here is question number 5. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air is given below. The data obtained for 30 days. 30 days data is given below. What we have do? We have prepare a group frequency distribution table using the class 0.00 to 0.004. This class you have used and prepare the table. Okay. So now in this table, before making the table, see the question. Okay. Minimum number, lowest number is 0.01. Lowest number is 0.01. Okay. And highest number is 0. I think 22. 0.22 is the highest number. So keep in mind the lowest number and highest number must be included in given class, and if you make the class then consider these two number also. Okay. Now make the class first. 0.00 to 0.04 it is given in question, use this. Then 0.04 to 0.06, 0.08 to 0.12, 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, and 0.20 to 0.024. 0.24. Okay. So need not go again. Okay. Need not any class now because our maximum number is included in this class. 0.20 to 0.24. Okay. If you want to solve in your rough page, you can keep PDF ready or textbook ready or rough page. Okay. Now between 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 will not include. You know that 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. See where is this number in given numbers and calculate by the pencil. Underline it or round it. You will obtain 4 numbers. Okay. 4 numbers you will obtain. 0.01. Okay. 0.01, 0.03, 0.02, then 0.01. Okay. In this way you will obtain 4 number. So in tally mark do 4 standing line and write in frequency there are 4 number. Now next 0.04 to 0.06. Calculate this number in question. Do not include 0.08. You can consider up to 0.07, not 0.08. Okay. So now there are 9 number. So you know that 5 plus 4 9. So make tally mark 5 means 4 standing line, 1 slanting line. Okay. And 4 extra, 4 standing line, that is 5 plus 4 9. Same thing 0.08 to 0.12. Okay. There are, if you calculate in given question, there will be another 9 number you will obtain. 9 number you will obtain. So make 5 plus 4 9. Same thing 0.12 to 0.16. You will obtain 2 number. Okay. So make frequency 2. In this way 0.16 to 0.20 you will obtain 4, 0.20 to 0.24 you will obtain 2, and if you make the total of frequency itself it be 30 because you have given 30 30 days humidity, okay, in rain. Concentration of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide is given here 30 data, so there will be 30. Okay, if you want to write question answer given below, make a group completed how many days was the sulfur dioxide more than 0.11. More than 0.11 means last 3 columns 2 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 6 days. Okay, so in this way we have completed question 5. Now we will solve questions 6. Now question 6. It is very easy. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Number of heads occur is given below. Okay, there are 30 times simultaneous, means 30 number is given. 30 number is given. How to 30 number is given? And we want to make the frequency distribution table. So make 3 column. First write down number of heads, second tally marks, and then frequency. You know that minimum number is 0 and maximum number is 3. So write down 0, 1, 2, 3. Calculate 0 in given question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 5 plus 1, 6. Calculate 1 in given question. You will obtain 10 times. So 5 plus 5, 10. So write there 5 plus 5. Okay, second 2 number is number 2. Calculate how many times in question? 9 times. So write there 5 plus 4, 9, group of 5 and 4. So and last number is 3. How many times? How many times? 5 times 3. So you can draw tally marks 5. How to draw 5? 4 standing line and 1 slanting line. It is the 5 frequency. Now make the total. It will be 30. Itself it will be 30 because in question starting it is given 30 times simultaneously. Okay. Now question 7. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. Okay. 3.14 3.141592635897932. Long value is given. It is endless. Okay. So we have know that which number after 3 point, then find out different number. You will obtain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in first column write down digit 0. Okay. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second column tally mark, keep blank. Last column frequency also blank. Now 0. How many times 0? After decimal 3 point, after calculate 0, 1, 2. 2 times 0. So make 2 tally marks and write down 2. After decimal calculate 1. How many times 1? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So make 5 frequency. Then after decimal, after point, how many times 2? Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times. Then how many times 3? Calculate. Do not consider before decimal 3. After decimal 3, how many times? 1, 2, 3. Calculate 8 times. Okay. So 5 plus 3, 8. So make 5 and 3 tally marks 8. 4. Calculate 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and one time another. 4. 4 times 4. So make frequency 4 and tally marks 4. 5. How many times 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times 5. So make frequency of 5 and write down 5. Then 6. 6 is 3 times. Okay. 6 is 3 times. 6 is 4 times. 7 is 4 times. 8 is 5 times. And 9 is 8 times. So in this way we can solve this question. Make addition of frequency. It will be 50 itself. Okay, if your tally marks is right, then total will be 50 itself. Okay, so in this way we can solve question 6, 7. Okay, now question 8. Question 8. It is very easy. 30 children asked about the number of hours they watched the TV program the previous week. The result were found as follows. There are, see here, few students watch the TV in week. Okay, here 30 students, 30 student is given. Minimum number is 1, maximum number is I think 17. Okay, so make the frequency table, frequency distribution table. In first column, number of hours. Class is given 5 to 10, but we can use 0 to 5 because our minimum number is 5. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Now you have very experience to solve this. 0 to 5 not include 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculate in given question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Underline it or round it. You have already question in PDF or textbook. Okay, you can do this. You will underline and calculate it. It will be 10 times. So make frequency tally marks 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Now see next. 5 to 10. Do not include 10, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Underline this number or round this number by pencil. You will calculate, it will be 13. Okay. So how to draw 13 tally marks? 5 plus 5 plus 3. So 5 draw 4 standing line, 1 slanting line. Again 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, and 3 extra, 3 standing line. Now 10 to 15, you will obtain 5. 15 to 20, you will obtain 2. Okay, and make the addition, it will be 30. Okay. Now example 9. is of your homework that you can do yourself. Okay, it is already solved here, but you can use your mind and you have to solve yourself without any help. Okay.